Hi, today we are going to talk about methods in JavaScript objects. We explained what JavaScript objects are in previous video. See the links below for more info. We also showed how to create object in 2 ways. Now we will show what benefits of objects are. Methods are a great way of using objects. Using objects is great, because you can add methods, functions that are linked to the data within your object. This makes it much easier to work with objects. We created object for table last time. Imagine that you have multiple tables. How would you print out all the colors? Great way is to add a method that will print out description for the table. In other words, a method is a property of an object that is a function. First we declare a variable for our object. We start with let myTable equals. We start object with opening curly bracket and press enter. Now we write values. Height colon and write value 75. Since we have more properties to write, we end with comma and enter. Now we write next property. Width colon and write value 120. We end with comma and press enter. Now we write next property. Length colon and write value 60. We end with comma and enter. Now we write next property. Color colon and write value white. Now we go out of the object's definition. We also add semicolon at the end of definition. Let's make a little space to write our method. We can add methods simply by adding another property that is a function. This function will be able to read values of the object and work with them. We will add an example that will print out color of the table. We start with myTable.whatIsMyColor equals and we write a function without parameters. This is the place where we write our functionality. It can be whatever you want, as long as it helps you work with object. For now we just show how to print out color. You will see that your functions will be more elaborate. Inside we call console.log and write, myColor is plus this.color. Keyword, this is important and it links you to objects data. We can now move out of the function and make the call. We can now call myTable.whatIsMyColor. Remember to always write braces at the end. You can imagine that you can use method whatIsMyColor many times. And this is one of the benefits, since you don't have to repeat the code. It's time for practice. Write a function that returns an area of the table. Before we show you the solution, a few words about us. We at CodeBrainer teach beginners how to code. If you like this kind of video, please like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to get notifications when the next video is published. If you want to learn more about us, visit us at CodeBrainer.com. Now pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Don't worry, we will show you the solution. myTable.whatIsMyArea equals and a function. Inside function we call console.log and write, my area is. Now we add formula for an area. This.width multiplied by this.length. Let's move out of the function. We can now call myTable.whatIsMyArea. This is already better example as it calculates the writing area of the table. In future you will see that most methods will be used to manipulate data, make calculations and represent values in a new way. This is it for this video. We have shown how to add a method to an object in JavaScript. See you soon.